Adjust and adapt. These two words sound very similar, but there is a huge difference. Most of us have been adjusting with the changes happening around for many years now. Starting from the first industrial revolution till the fourth industrial revolution, the so-called digital revolution, we all have been adjusting with the changes to fit in. And why was this adjustment possible? Because the changes were gradual. It was more of an evolution than an actual revolution, and it gave us sufficient time to adjust. But the recent revolution, which has been brought about with the pandemic, the changes are happening at a lightning speed. And trust me, it is not giving us time to adjust. Rather, it is giving us opportunities to adapt. For all those people who are trying to adjust in this revolution, who is trying to adjust in this changing environment, trust me, you are losing on the opportunities this has brought. The lifestyles have changed, the businesses have changed. Many businesses are growing exponentially by adapting to the changes. And it is possible for us to grow faster than normal if we adapt. If you try to adjust, you are preparing to lose. And if you want to win, start adapting.